How will it be driven in the future? Retrospecting history, every industrial revolution stems from the innovation of energy power. Since diesel's invention, there have been numerous examples of enterprise achievements in 100 years. Today, KAWO Holding has expanded into the competition, releasing a strong Chinese momentum. KAWO Holding, located in Hezi City, Shandong Province, is an important intersection of regional coordinated development and the Belt and Road National Strategy. With large and medium-sized ship electric power system as the core, the products cover 11 series, more than 300 varieties, with an annual output capacity of 100,000 sets and a total output value of 3.5 billion yuan. Setting R&D, manufacturing, sales and service of diesel engine, natural gas engine, methanol engine and parts and power unit in one. KAWO Holding is a high-end equipment intelligent manufacturing enterprise. Tianjin University and Hechai Power have reached a long-term strategic scientific research cooperation relationship. Hechai Power Research Institute of Tianjin University has now officially operated. The world's first set of methanol engine has also been officially mass-produced in the Hezi plant on March 28, 2021. With the development of technology innovation, KAWO Holding has made key breakthroughs in the application of new materials, such as diamond-coated piston, piston ring and cylinder liner, vermicular cast iron cylinder block and cylinder head, as well as in the development of methanol engine system, leading in the world. Leading by deep tillage market segment, it focuses on medium and large-scale power engine products, catching up with Europe and the United States and replacing the imports. Pursue outstanding quality, cast well-known brand. KAWO Holding products are widely used in military, aerospace, ships, 5G base stations, big data centers, large infrastructure, real estate, engineering, and agricultural machinery and other fields. The products won a number of national patents, and the company has been awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise, China's Excellent Quality Brand Enterprise, the Chinese Government Procurement Preferred Brand, the National Machinery Industry Energy Conservation and Emission Reduction Quality Management Advanced Unit, and other awards. Partners spread around the world, lay out in the world. With all-round service and technical support system, KAWO Holding strives to become the most competitive ship electric power brand in the world. KAWO Power, technology innovation, driving the future.